What's up, self-hosters? In this video, I will show you how to set up a self-hosted n8n from scratch. All you need to have is a domain and a VPS, and by the end of this video, you should be able to host your own n8n on your server. And by the way, our awesome self-hosted apps directory is live. You can find self-hosted applications right here. So the versions and data are freshly pulled from their respected repositories. You can search any apps, or you can ask AI to begin with. You can search the list of apps, or you can ask our AI if you don't know where to start. So I will put a link on the description down below for this self-hosted app directory. So let's go back to our tutorial. Okay, we will go to self-host n8n. We will use one line setup guide. We'll just run this command. And for the VPS, we will be using uGamehost, and they are actually cheap. So if you get an annual subscription, you get half the price. And of course, our domain name will be hosted on Cloudflare. So I'll just quickly log into my uGamehost control panel. So now I am here on my uGamehost control panel, and we will be using Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. So let's quickly log into our server. You can use your favorite SSH client. So I'll be using Bitvice. So just put your IPv4 here, and I'm using an SSH key to log into our VPS. Click login, accept and save, and click new terminal console. And we'll update our system first. Okay, so there's nothing to upgrade. We will now install n8n, but we will first install Docker. So just copy this command, paste it here, and hit enter. Okay, so now we have installed Docker. We will now install n8n using this command. Okay, we'll paste it here and hit enter. Okay, so now we have successfully installed n8n, but we don't have an SSL yet. So to access our n8n securely, we need to have a domain and install an SSL certificate. So let's go to Cloudflare. And now we will add an A record to access our n8n. So we will add record. This will be an A record. It will point to n8n. And we will paste our IPv4 here. We will just copy this one. And we will disable proxy status first. And click save. So now we have an A record. We will now install an SSL certificate. I have a guide here. We will install Nginx and certbot. So we will copy this one, paste it here, hit enter. Okay, we will create an Nginx config file, and we will copy the content here. And change your server name to your own domain. Okay, this will be n8n.webshanks.shop. Control X, Y, and hit enter. So we will test. Okay. So copy the second command. Okay, syntax is okay. Then we will reload Nginx. So now we will issue an SSO using this command. So just copy this part right here, and that will be our n8n.webshanks.shop, and hit enter. It will enter our email, and hit enter. Just type Y to agree, and another Y. So now we can access our n8n. So copy this one. You can highlight this and it will automatically copy. We'll open it in a new tab. Okay, so now we can access our n8n securely. We will set up a new owner account. Say webshanks at bottom.me. Okay, webshanks. So set a password. Okay, just click next. Okay, I'll just click get started. So I'll just skip this one. Then now we will connect a model to use the AI assistant. So if you want to use an AI assistant, can just connect a free model. Okay, we will choose, okay, let's say Open Router. We will go to Open Router and create an account to get an API key. Get an API key. Okay, we will sign up first, and we will use our Gmail account quickly. Okay, so now we have registered to Open Router. We will choose individual, and here is our API key. We'll copy this one. Let's go back to our n8n. Okay, we'll save this, or rather paste it here, and we will choose a model. You can browse the list of models right here. Okay, let's say Nematron 3.5, and we'll click continue. Then let's start using AI assistant, and you can type in here what you want to automate, or you can choose some of this pre-made prompts. Okay, you can score my leads and just hit enter. Okay, now our AI assistant is working. You can choose which CRM system. So this shows that our AI assistant is working. You can also set. Okay, we will go to settings first, and you can also set chat. You can enable this one. Then you can choose one of these providers or any of these providers. Okay, let's try Groq. So we will edit provider. Then we will create an account on Groq. Okay, we will start building and okay, we will sign up using our Google account quickly. Okay, now we will go to API keys, create API key, say n8n. We'll set this to no expiration and submit. Okay, we will copy our API key. Let's go back to n8n. We will create new credentials and paste our credentials here and click save. Click confirm and we'll go back. We'll start a new chat. Then we will select our provider. So, okay, we will find a provider here. Let's say Quen. Okay, let's try hi. Okay, our chat is working. Then let's go back to home. And if you want to create workflow, you can create workflow. Or you can use an existing template. Okay, we will choose a category, let's say marketing. Okay, let's say this one. And click use for free. And then import template to our instance. So now you have just imported your first template and you can start configuring your workflow. You now have your own self-hosted n8n instance running on your VPS. If this will help you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more self-hosting guides, tutorials, and tools to help you take more control of your own infrastructure. So if you have any questions, just comment them down, or if you have encountered problems during installation, just also comment them. And thanks for watching. And as always, happy self-hosting.